SUMIF function adds the specific cells specified by a given condition or criteria. This function has three arguments. In range argument, select the range of cells that you want evaluated. In criteria argument, set the condition or criteria in the form of a number, expression, or text that defines which cells will be added. In sum range argument, sum the range of actual cells. If you leave blank, in default, the cells in range argument are used. Click Cancel. Active this cell. Click Math and Trigonometric arrow button. Scroll down. Click SUMIF function. In range box, select these cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria box, set the condition. I want to sum those cells from this cell references range which has values less than 10,000. So enter less than sign. Type 10,000. Press Tab key. Leave blank this box. Click OK. Function sum those cells which has values less than 10,000. This cell has value less than 10,000. This cell also has value less than 10,000. Function sum values of these two cells because I have set condition in criteria box less than 10,000. Now I apply the criteria on this range and sum the corresponding values from this range. Active this cell. Click Math and Trigonometry arrow button. Click SUMIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria box, set the condition. Enter greater than sign. Type 15,000. Press Tab key. In sum range box, select this cell references range. How does formula work? From this cell references range, those cells have values greater than 15,000. Function will sum the corresponding cells values from this range that has values greater than 15,000. Click OK. Function returns $7,530 in this cell. This cell has a value greater than 15,000 and its corresponding value is $4,530. This cell has a value greater than 15,000 and its corresponding value is $3,000. Function sum these two cells values and returns $7,530 in this cell. Now active this cell. Click SUMIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press Tab key. In criteria box, type the text jacket or select the cell reference that has text jacket. Click this cell reference. Press tab key. In sum range box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns $41.44 in this cell. There are 4 categories of jacket in this range. Function sum the corresponding values of jacket from this range. This cell has text jacket and its corresponding value is $14. Similarly in other cells. Function sum the values of these cells and returns $41.44 in this cell. Now active this cell. Click SUMIF function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, click this cell. Press tab key. In sum range box, select this cell references range. Click OK. There are 4 categories of hues in this range. Function sum the corresponding values of hues from this range. This cell has text hues and its corresponding value is $3.89. Similarly in other cells. Function sum the values of these cells and returns $19.72 in this cell. In this way, you can sum the specific cell's values by using SUMIF function.